Welcome guys, today I'll show this phone is now Vivo phone. So how to disassembling this phone and tear down this phone. So see this video and disassembling this phone easily. At first I soldering all side, see now. And I cutting this phone gum, cutting this gum. Cutting this gum only one side. And soldering again. And use this type plastics and cutting this gum. And safely remove back cover. See now, safely remove back part, and I unplug this screw. And I unplug this whole screw. And I unplug the SIM card and memory card line. Unplug the SIM card and memory card base line and disassembling phone now. And I use any sticks. Unplug, and I unplug this screw. And safely remove back still, and safely remove fingerprint, and I safely remove touch and display and battery line, and safely remove power key line. and safely remove charging pin and microphone line. See now, fully unplug this or lemon and fully disassembling this phone. So viewers, thank you, bye bye.